To configure DTG decoration process in DecoNetwork, the first thing you're going to do is set the general settings when it comes to the name, the abbreviation, the minimum quantity that can be ordered, and the artwork capabilities as far as, hey, are we going to limit the amount of colors in the artwork? Are we going to accept vector and raster images? Next, we want to come into price tables. Now, we can create a price table that looks at the color of the garment. That way we can charge more for the white underbase. Or we can look at the size of the print. That way we're charging more because we're going to use more pre-treat, ink, and so forth. Or we can do a combination of both. So select the correct price table configuration. The most popular these days being standard. Most shops have standardized that, hey, it takes the same amount of labor to print a left chest as a full chest. Now, maybe I still want to account for the decoration, the product color type. So I'm accounting for if I have the white underbase and pre-treat. Now, if I'm going to do white versus colored, just know that, hey, make the light and the dark price exactly the same. So if I just want to go white, okay, maybe white's 5, light dark being color, it's 10. I can discount additional areas. So maybe, the front print is this, the back print becomes this. So we charge less. If I don't want to charge less, I'll just make it one row and hey, that's the cost per impression. So 5 for a light color shirt, 10 for a colored, and that is for 1 to 5 pieces. When you buy 5, we'll make it 6, 12, and 24 price breaks. We can make the price go down from there. It's really that simple. DTG configuration is primarily setting up a simple decoration process. Typically, we're not going to need to go into the designer settings, production settings, color palette, artwork fee. Pretty much everything is going to be set how most shops would do it for this decoration process, but you can go into each one and configure it if necessary. After you've created your price table, make sure you come down here into decoration pricing and you map it as the price table for this price level if that is what you want to use. Just because you made the price table doesn't mean that it's in play yet. We need to come down here into decoration pricing and map it to the correct price levels.